In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the Spotify Snake game. This is actually a hidden feature, so on some cases, it will not be available depending on your region. So in order to play the Hidden Snake Spotify game, just open the playlist on your mobile app. I have in here this particular playlist. So let's choose right here this playlist of mine. Once you have opened this playlist, next thing you need to do is to just head over and select the three dots option and then scroll down and you should be able to find in here an option for eat this playlist. So on some cases it will not appear on your part because of some regional restrictions. On my case it doesn't appear because of that. The game will load which will use songs from your playlist as the food for the snake to eat and this makes the snake grow longer. This feature is primarily available on iOS and the game requires at least one user created playlist with decent number of songs. You need to also have a region that actually supports it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.